Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to speed up Windows Vista, and this is part 2. Now before doing any of this, I recommend you create a system store point, so if anything goes wrong, then you can restore your system back to normal, or create a backup of your computer. That's what I recommend. Please try it please do it because it's very important. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the start menu and type in msconfig. Hit enter. And you'll come up with this menu. Go ahead and go to services. And this is a list of all the services you have on your computer and are running or stopped as indicated by this status. Now, some of these things you don't need. For example, you may not need Bluetooth support center or service, sorry. You may not use Bluetooth, or you may not use the computer browser. Now, I know what you're thinking. How am I going to disable these services when I don't know what they do? This is why we have a kind of application or help menu to assist us in this disabling of things. So go to the start menu again, type in services.msc, hit enter. Okay, and basically you'll have the same exact list. One will be messy, one will be alphabetized, and this will basically tell you everything you need to know about what these things do in here. The same exact thing, it's just this one is a menu designed to give you everything you want on it. For example, the description, you can expand this, and then you can also hover your mouse over it to find out what it does. Now, first of all, some of the things you'll know what they do just by looking at them. Like I said, Kaspersky Internet Security. Do not disable internet security or antivirus, because that's very important to have running. And also some things won't be very clear from the description. For example, FlexNet licensing service. This service performs licensing functions on behalf of FlexNet enabled products. Now what this does is actually is a licenser for Adobe products, Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro. And if you disable this, they won't work, guaranteed. I've done it before. And so this is why I caution you never to disable anything you don't know what the description means. For example, you may not know what NTFS files within a computer or across computers in a network is or means. You may not know what catalog database service, protected room files, whatever the heck it says, registers and updates IP address. You may not know what an IP address is. So do not disable anything that you don't know what the description means. And again, please set up a system store point and a backup of your system so that you can restore it back to the default settings. And that's basically the tutorial. The next one will be on speeding up startup as well as shutdown. So basically, please be careful when you're doing this. It's not something that a novice user should tinker around with. And if you are a novice user and planning to tinker around with this, please create a system store point, which is I have a video on it if you need to see it. And also, please back up your system files and stuff so that you don't end up screwing your computer up. So thanks for watching. This has been a tutorial by SVision77. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks.